Hello everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, India's most comprehensive preparation platform. So let me know my voice and video are clear or not. So very quickly, so let's after this we will take the session up. So very quickly. Yes. So the everything is fine. Okay. So let's begin with the session. So here I am going to discuss with you about the COAP 2023. Okay, that how to register and how do you get the seats of the IIT or any PSU. Okay, so this COAP means Common Offer Acceptance Portal, and this time this is the coordinated by the IIT Kharagpur. So it is IIT Kharagpur now, which is handling this time the admission of all the candidates. You have to apply the application form in the IIT individually. Suppose you want to take the admission in the IIT Delhi, then you have to fill the form of IIT Delhi by going into their website. Likewise, in the IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, and IIT Madras, ISC, etc., etc. So don't forget to fill the form of individual IIT by going into their website so that detail of their form, when will be the interview, each will be coordinated by the individual IIT. But what you have to do is what you get from the COAP then. If you have to fill the different IIT form, then which seat you have got from which IIT, that you can see from the common portal. You don't need to go to the individual website and check whether you have qualified or not. So this is why this common portal has come, and it was introduced in 2017. So let's discuss few points, important points about this. So if you will see, so there in the COAP there are more than 24 institutes participated, and the PSU also will participate. But up till now, before previous to this year, we haven't seen any PSU giving their result from the COAP. But they always say that for the job vacancy also, you may get the detail from the COAP. You may get no IIT. You may not get mechanical hub. I don't think that IIT will be you getting. Okay, so what are the salient features that you will get the detail of the seat which you have got from the IIT, that IIT has offered the seat that you will get in the common of COAP, that is Common Offer Acceptance Portal. So a COAP, the registered candidates. So first of all, you have to register yourself in the COAP. So if you will not register yourself in the COAP, then you will not come to know and you will whether you have got the IIT or not. So it is compulsory. You will not get the seat also, in fact. So it is compulsory for all the candidates who wish to go for the M.Tech from the IIT to register yourself in the COAP portal. For admission into M.Tech program in any of the participating institute or applying for a job in any participating PSU, every candidate should also apply to the corresponding institute. So as I said, you have to go and apply for the corresponding institute and also PSU. To understand the mechanism of the looking at all the available offers and making a specific choice out of the offers, the candidates are advised to read the guidelines, and COAP is not application portal for M.Tech admission. So this is not that you have registered yourself in the COAP, that means your work has done. No, you have to fill the separate form for the respective IITs in the respective institute for the M.Tech admissions. Each participating student's PSU will follow the selection procedure as per their norms and the guidelines by their institute. So here you will get the very important thing, that is this eligibility criteria for students who are having the 3 year valid scorecard, because the GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years. So a student passed out in the qualified in the GATE examination in the year 2021 will also be eligible to apply for the M.Tech program through their score. So 23, 22, and 21. These scorecard will be taken into account. Okay. Uh, For GATE rank 2300 and GATE score 509, the new IITs you can take. Okay, the new IITs you can consider. And if you have any category, then it depends on your interview also. Okay, suppose you have OBC or EWS category, then you will definitely get any of the old IIT. But with the 2300 rank, you may have to compromise with the branch if you want a IIT. But otherwise, the NIT will be a good choice for you with the very specialized brand. Yes, good evening, Venkatesh. 9172 rank that Karan Gupta, it is not good, and you should go for the preparation for the next year. Hello, Kamal Pratap. Just almost qualified से कुछ नहीं होगा, almost qualified से कुछ नहीं होगा, okay? Almost qualified, nothing will going be happen in this with this rank or with this score. So when you will apply for the individual IIT, okay, according to your preferences, then you will be when you will qualify their interview and their selection procedure, you will get the three options. Option number one, accept and freeze. This option should be selected if a candidate is willing to accept one of the available offer and does not like to be considered for any other offer. Okay, if suppose you are applying in the multiple IITs and you got the offer from different IITs, and one of them will be your favorite. So that particular offer you have to accept and freeze. That is the meaning of accept and freeze. So once you will accept it, now you will not be considered in the next round of the offer or that proposed list. Okay. After clicking the accept and freeze option, the candidate should click the OK button to confirm the submission of this decision. Subsequently, the candidate should visit their respective academic institutes, admission portal or PSU job portal and follow the procedure as per the instruction of the respective website. Retain and wait. This option should be selected if a candidate indicates his or her partial acceptance to any one of the available offer and also would like to be considered for any other offer in other institute. Suppose in the IIT Delhi, I am getting one offer and I want to hold that seat, but I had my preference that was my second or third preference. I have my first preference in IIT Bombay. Then in that case, you can apply the retain and wait because you want to accept the offer of IIT Delhi, but you are also looking for the admission in the other IITs. So you can freeze your seat or you can hold your seat, and that is retain your seat and wait for the next list. You it is possible that in the next list you may get promoted to the next or desired IIT. And suppose in the second round also you have not get the desired IIT, then the second time also you can do the return and wait. So if you are waiting for the second time, then again there will be a round of interview and the list will be provided by the COAP. And suppose in the second round also you have not get, then you cannot retain and wait. After that, after the two choices, you have to accept and freeze. Otherwise, you will not be considered in the next uh, round of the offer, and the last choice will be considered as your final offer. The last choice you made was considered as will be considered as a final offer. Okay, so the retain and existing offer will be released. A candidate can choose retain and wait on the same offer, same institute and same program only twice. Same institute, same program, only two times you can do. Nevertheless, the candidate will be considered the subsequent round of the admission offered in the participating academic institutes and PSU. After clicking retain and wait option, the candidate should click the OK button to submit. Then reject all and wait. Suppose the offer you are getting and you want to reject then, and you are sure about getting the admission in the next round of the admission offer, then you can do the reject and wait. So the whatever offer you are getting, suppose any of the offer you are not liking, then you can reject. Then you will not be considered in any one of that particular program, and the next round will come and then you will get the offer, and it may be possible in the second round of admission you will get the offer. एनआईटी के लिए सी से एनआईटी के लिए सीसीएमटी का होता है. ओके, विकास एनआईटी के लिए सीसीएमटी का होगा, तो वहां पे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. वो भी एक कॉमन पोर्टल रहेगा, वहां पे सारे एनआईटी का एडमिशन होगा. दिस इज सीओएपी फॉर ऑल द आईआईटीज. Okay. Now after that you will get the freeze decision. After selecting option 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, candidate can select the choice from the offer multiple times and press OK to confirm. After making the final choice, candidate have to click the freeze button to complete the decision, and alternatively the last selected choice. As I said, if you suppose forget to click OK, then alternatively the last selected choice, whatever choice you have selected at last, of the candidates will be frozen at the closure of the round. So suppose you have taken in the second round, you have chosen something as a return and wait, and after the third round you are not accepting it. So that in the second round which you had clicked the return and wait, that will be considered as your final admission. And in case the candidate does not select any of the choices from the offer or do not visit the COAP portal, then all the offers in that particular round will be treated as reject all and wait. Okay, so in every round you have to at least click one of the choices, either reject all and wait, either retain and wait, or freeze. Okay, accept and freeze. So candidates should visit the COP portal during each round of the offer till the decision of accept and freeze is made by the candidate. So there will be multiple time you will be visiting, and you have to make decision at least one time, so that you will get the offer. Hello Abdul, good evening. So now next is, what is the registration process? So registration process is what in the COP portal, how to register yourself. So you can go through this brochure in detail, right? Then only you will come to know the detailed registration process. Here I am going to tell you about the detailed procedure also. So to register for the COAP, you need a name, a valid gate score card, registration number, date of birth, email ID, mobile number. Only those candidates who are qualified in the gate 23, 22, 21 and wish to apply for the M.Tech procedure and M.Tech admission or the job. Okay, after the successful completion of the COP, candidates will be able to access the information on offer made by the participating institute. Then the registration will only be successful when a candidate complete the login procedure with the help of the input received via email. So when you will register yourself, they will give you confirmation mail, and then in the confirmation mail you have to go and you have to log in. So candidates are advised to enter the valid and the qualified gate registration number assigned to them in the last 3 years, and in any of these 3 years you can use the gate scorecard. You can use the multiple gate scorecard also. Suppose you are getting the 50 rank this time, and in the previous year you are getting the 100 rank, and you want to apply with the 50 rank in some IITs and with the 100 rank in the different IITs. That also you can do. Candidate need to click on the registration now button to complete the registration process. The application process to COAP 2023 is complete only after clicking the final submit button. So this is how it will look like when you will go. Okay, when you will go in the COAP portal, which is coap.iitkgp.ac.in/COAP, click register yourself here. If you have not registered, you are a first time user, then register yourself here by clicking that. And after that, what you have to do? You have to enter the details like name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and year which gate scorecard you are applying. Either you are applying for 23, 22, or 21, which scorecard you are using. and their registration number, and add row for the, suppose you are from EC and you have also qualified with the IN branch, then if you wish to apply in any IIT with the IN branch, then you can use that scorecard also. For that, you have to select the add row. You can select the year of the gate qualification qualified and the registration number. Then you just enter the captcha and register now. Click on the register now, and then you will get this type of window will be coming in front of you, where the registration ID will be given and password will be sent to your registered mail ID or mobile. And now you can go to your email ID, and you can check, and then you have to log in, because when you log in, then only it will be considered as a registered candidate in the COAP. So after that, this dashboard will come, where you have to select the institute wise status of course offered. So when you will apply in the all the different IITs, so here you will get all the offers. Okay, your scorecard, whatever you have filled, it will be showing here, and then you will be able to see your name, date of birth, etc., etc. All details will be looking like this, and here the gate details which you have applied will be looking, and then you have to check, and again you can do the final submission. And after that, when the offer will be made, suppose now, okay, now it will look like this: the full name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, category, etc. And when you have done the final submission, the final gate scorecard for 21 you have applied, and from the different branches like ME and XE, then it will be looking like this here. And then you can sign in, and when you will get the offer, how does it look like? See here. I'm getting 609 in ME and 729 in XE. Can I get any good IIT? Yes, Mayank, there is a very high probability that you will get the good IIT with the good branch, because it depends on your branch. Okay, because I'm not from mechanical, so I cannot tell about the cutoff. You can visit our BYJU'S Exam Prep Civil and Mechanical channel, and there the faculty team who are expert in the field of mechanical and XE, they will give you the detailed idea. Okay, so various participating institutes will provide your application details after scrutiny, and you can view your details in the dashboard before the start of the round of offer, and remain will same will remain in the dashboard for your preference. So the preference here will be looking like this. IIT Kharagpur, you have applied by the 2022 and gate registration number. IIT Kharagpur A branch, you have applied. IIT Kharagpur C branch, IIT Kharagpur A, like this means in case of your application detail is not appearing from a particular institute where you have applied, then contact the particular institute, because when you will apply in their individual IIT portal, then all the detail which you have provided in the different IITs you will be able to see here. Can we retain and wait one or more offer? Yes, actually, you can do that. Retain and wait can be done for the same offer by the same institute only twice. Yes, congratulations for getting the 175 rank in the GATE EC and IIT Madras Microelectronics and VLSI in the general category. Uh, it is possible. It is possible, but I think there is one more branch which is having the analog IC design. That is having more cutoff than microelectronics. So you will be getting the 170 with the 175 rank. There is a very high probability. So see, you have to apply, because we will come with the gate score and the mark. Okay, gate score versus the cutoff of individual IIT. We will also come with that session. So wait for that session, because we have to also work on the cutoff of the different IITs in the different specialization, and then according to your score we can guide. So after that, here you can see, when round of the offer start, the received offer, if you have received any offer from, then the same will appear in the dashboard. Suppose you have got the IIT Kharagpur C. you have seen your preferences. It was IIT Kharagpur CA like that. So you have got the offer by the IIT Kharagpur in these two branches. Okay, and these are the offered. They will show you according to your application number, and they will give you the branch like embedded control and food processing. So these are the two different branches offered by you. Okay, so you can do accept and freeze. Okay, you can do the retain and wait, and you can reject all and reject above and wait. Okay. Yes, Sanjay Shukla, definitely it is possible to get the NIT Allahabad, NIT Jaipur, NIT Kurukshetra, all these NIT you may get with this rank, Sanjay Shukla. ठीक है, आपको बिल्कुल मिल सकता है। तो यहाँ पे आपको सेलेक्ट करना है। सपोज आईआईटी खड़गपुर में आपको कोई चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पे क्या किए, सेलेक्ट ऑफर कर दिए, सेलेक्ट ऑफर ऑफ योर चॉइस एंड देन प्रेस एक्सेप्ट एंड फ्रीज। तो पहले आपको यहाँ सेलेक्ट करना है, ऐसा है, यहाँ पे टिक करके सेलेक्ट करना है और उसके बाद आपको एक्सेप्ट करना है। तो एक्सेप्ट कर लो। अगर आप एक बार एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे देन यू विल नॉट गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट राउंड। एंड सपोज दिस वाज नॉट योर फर्स्ट चॉइस, then you can do the but it is your second choice, then you can retain and wait, and here it is reject above and wait. Okay, suppose you are sure that in the second round of the offer you will get better than this, then you can reject all of them if you are not liking the offer given by the IT, means according to your performance in the interview and the written exam or with according to your scorecard. Okay, now the offer status will change now with your input. According to your input, the green bar will come updated successfully, and it will be like this. It will show like this, and then you can go here. Again, you cannot select the retain and wait more than 2 times for the same offer. In case you select the same, the status will not be updated. Error message in the red bar appear. So this error message will come, suppose 2 times you have already done the retain and wait for a particular offer by the institute, then automatically when you try to select for the third time and you want to select the retain and wait, then it will appear this red bar. Okay. Retain and wait uh, will not appear for the fifth main round and all the additional round. So here they have given you the dates where when the window will open. Okay, so the May 22, May 22, the all the options will be with you. All the tab will be open for you. You can accept and freeze, you can retain and wait, and you can reject and wait also. Now in the second round also, you can do the retain and wait. So that is why yes is written over here. From 3rd to 5th June, you have yes and no option. No option because if you have already selected the, if you have already retained the same offer by the IIT and in the same branch, then you can you will not be able to do the same. But if you want to take any other institute in any other branch, then you can do the return and wait. Okay, because it is possible now that after the third round you will get the desired IIT, but still you are not satisfied. So you can wait again for that particular IIT and with the different branch. Then that can also be done in the second 2 times. So that is why in the third and fourth round also yes and no both are written, because if you are choosing any one branch in the third round, so that you can do the, and because you are getting the different offer, so that you can do the return and wait, and then return and wait also be done by 2 times, and then in the fifth round this option will not be there. You have to either accept or you have to reject. Okay. So these are the additional round. If suppose the seat is not filled, then they can go for this additional round. These are the frequently asked questions. So if you have any other question, then you can ask me. So you can go through this brochure once that is given in their IIT Kharagpur website. So you can search COAP IIT Kharagpur 2023. So total 5 rounds will be there, Venkatesh. total 5 rounds will be there, and these are the few participating institutes, which are approximately 24. Okay, so more than 24 institutes will be joining in this portal, but it is the main, all the 24 IITs it is given. Accept and freeze can use only for one offer. Only one for one offer you can do, and for the other offer you have to wait for the other round, and for the other offer you can do after the 2 round. Okay, Dinesh? Acceptance fees you will do. Suppose you have got IIT Madras VLSI, then you can wait for 2 rounds, and then in the third round either you have to accept and freeze, or you have to select any other IIT, and that IIT you will be you can do accept and freeze for that particular IIT 2 times again. But in that case you have to reject IIT Madras VLSI. Okay. Double E gate score 492 this time. OBC category, there is a good chance. In the OBC category, you may get some new IITs. New IIT, there will be a chance. Over 27% seats are there, so new IITs you can get. 694 rank also is a good rank, and with the EWS, this is 100% chance of getting IIT with VLSI. 100%. Abhishek, 100% you will get the IIT and along with the VLSI. But you have to fill the form of all the IITs. Now, it is not I'm saying only for the old IITs. You will get the VLSI in any of the 24 IITs, but you have to fill the form of all the IIT which you are looking for. It is possible that you may not be looking for the IIT Tirupati, IIT Bhilai, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Gandhinagar. You may remove that IIT, and after that you shortlisted suppose 10 to 12 IITs. Then in all the 10 to 12 IITs you should apply. Okay, the form you have to fill for the individual IIT, the fees will be taken by individual IIT, so that you have to take care, and don't hesitate to give some money at this point of time, because when you fill the form of IITs, the form fees will be 300, 500, 800, and it will be spending too much amount. Means if you fill for different branch in the different IIT, then for each IIT there will be a separate fees, and in fact with the separate branch also there may be a separate fees. So to apply in the single IIT for the 2 to 3 branches, you may have to spend more than 1 2,000, and because you are selecting 5 or 6 IITs, you may have to spend 5 to 6,000. So don't hesitate to spend the money at this point of time. If you have got the 1,000 rank, 1,500 rank to 2,000 rank, and you want to do the M.Tech, then you don't have to think spending the 5 to 10,000 amount at this point of time, because you have done work hard for the whole year, and now just for the 5 to 10,000, if you are not feeling it and you are again preparing, then it is not a good idea. With the IIT Delhi Mechanical 1327, there is a not good chance. Actually, I don't have that confidence to that you will get the IIT Delhi with this branch, because IIT Delhi has one of the top IITs in terms of placement also. So many students look for the IIT Delhi even with the interdisciplinary branch. So I don't think with the 1327 in the general category it is possible to get the IIT Delhi. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching this session, and we'll meet in the next session. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, and we are having the scholarship test tomorrow. So if you are going to prepare for Gate 24, then don't forget to appear on the scholarship test. The link is given in the description. So 987 double E, any old IIT? Yes, Maya, definitely you will get the old IIT. Any of the old IIT you will get out of 7, 8 IITs, IITs, the old IITs you will definitely get. And when interview will be conducted for the M.Tech IIT, in which website they will notify? Dinesh, they will notify in their individual website. Only the final selection, after the final selection, the date we have mentioned in the COAP portal, right? The date are given here. Only in this date, only in this date between 20 to 22 May, you have to visit this website. Otherwise, you have to visit their IIT website, their individual institute, because they will be releasing their result. They will be releasing, they will be telling you about the form and interview, etc. And the result will be coming here, 20 to 22 May. Suppose I have interview in the IIT Bombay on 10th of May, then I will go and appear in the interview, but the result of whether I have got the offer or not will be declared in the COAP portal on 20th May. 576 GATE score in EC, new NIT. What is your rank, Venkatesh? Yes, you will be able to get the admission on the basis of Gate 22. Yes, Kashyap, you will be able to get because the three Gate score are valid. Gate 23 score card, Gate 22 and Gate 21. These three scorecard are valid. 1190 mechanical category OBC IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi with OBC core branch is not possible. Interdisciplinary you can look for Abhishek. In the mechanical also interdisciplinary you may look for, but core branch you will not get with the OBC category. Because you have OBC category, you may get the uh, interdisciplinary branch, and because in the interdisciplinary branch interview also happens, so you have to perform well in the interview. Venkatesh 1344 rank, and is do you have any category with any chance of new IIT? Yes, 1344 100% you will get the new IIT. New IIT you will get for sure. 1344 rank EC, new IIT you will get. In CS paper 560 score, 51 marks, rank 1850. I think you should go for the new IIT you may get because you have OBC also. So new IIT you will get. Just don't hesitate to fill the form of all the new IITs. Okay, Satya, fill as much form as possible you can. Okay, 360 score is, can I get biomedical in IIT? I don't think, Harsha, biomedical, no, I don't think so. 358, can I get VLSI in IIT Kanpur? Rank 358 VLSI in IIT Kanpur, no. 696. I don't think VLSI communication you will get. 100% communication you will get, Subhash. But for VLSI, I said no. Okay, from IIT Kanpur VLSI, it is no from my side, but you will get communication for sure. If you go for the communication, Subhash, then definitely you will get, because one of my old students have already done the M.Tech from IIT Kanpur in communication with the 850 rank with OBC. 850 rank with OBC. So I am expecting, because you are from general, so with the 696 score, you will get communication with this 358 rank. Satyagiri, which NITs can I expect? NIT, you will get the popular NITs like Suratkal, Calicut, this you may get maybe Warangal. You have to check the cutoff because for CS I don't have that much idea about the cutoff of the CS because the CS students always willing to do the M.Tech because all the CS students have the good placement in the IITs and even in the NITs. For the interview, we have to go institute. Yes, interview date, you have to go to the institute website and have to appear physically on the institute. Okay, and you have to spend money for traveling also because during the COVID time they have taken the interview in the online basis or they have directly published on the basis of merit list. But now because everything is has opened, so I think they will call you physically. And Dinesh, interview date is expected after the 10th of May. So after 10th of May, interview will start. Okay, all the interview will start after or before remaining after I should say 5th May. Interview will start after 5th May, or you can say that first week of May. Okay, Dinesh. So that is your answer of that question. 1481 rank, 9.3 CGPA does not matter. But yes, 1381 rank is PSU. There is no chance. PSU, it depends on the number of seat. Okay, Raghavendra, EWS does not have that much variation in the cutoff, na? Because the general cutoff and the OBC and EWS are very much close to each other. But mechanical, you may check because in our case, I haven't seen the very much variation in the cutoff of the general and EWS. Yes, every institute will conduct interview. Not every institute. Some institutes like IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, and IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, IIT Bombay, they take interview and written exam also. Some IITs will take written exam also. 510 score new IIT you can get rank. Shiv Kumar, can you share your rank? Kashyap, you have said about your rank now. Okay, you can your rank I don't know, so you definitely you can do the power and masters from the IIT available is IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has the power electronics, but there may be some different IIT also. See, direct the power electronics term you will not see in any IIT. Then, but you have to check their detailed academic syllabus. 3500 rank Shiv Kumar chance of IIT no. With the 3500 rank, with the OBC, the chance of IIT, I will say no because if you will get, then the branch will definitely not good. Kashyap website, you have to go to the individual website of IIT and you have to check their academic program. Okay, go to the academic program of every IIT and go for M.Tech. And in the M.Tech, what are the subjects they teach and what are the different specializations they have? You can see all these things in the website of the IIT. In every IIT website, you will get the academic section. Go to the academic section, go to the M.Tech program and see what they teach in the M.Tech, what are the different branches available for M.Tech. You will get all the details in the website of each IIT. Sir, 1190 rank mechanical OBC IIT Kanpur PSU possible. Yes, IIT Kanpur is possible, but the branch as per your requirement you will not get. Okay, you may not get. Means if suppose you have two, three options with you like thermodynamics and then machine design and production, then any one of these three you may get. But if you are more specific about only thermodynamics, then it is very less chance because these branches are very top branches for mechanical, right? So, but yes, with this rank and with OBC category, definitely you can think of IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee. Okay, all these IITs you can definitely expect. 2890 IIT, I don't think Saloni you will get. 2890, I don't think so. Because if you are looking for interdisciplinary branch, then I am not well aware about the interdisciplinary branch. Okay, so let's wind up the session. And if you have any query, then you can connect with us in the same channel and you can give the comment in the video so that according to your question, we will discuss and we will take the session. Sarani Kumar, computer science, or in fact, in the computer science, there will be a very good competition. So, according to that, I don't think that in fact, new IITs you may get, but old IITs I don't suggest you should look for. Yes, yes, yes. Those who are having question, they can put the comment on the comment section because in the chat section because I was not getting any question. That's why I'm ending the 2890. Which NIT? Yes, NIT you will definitely get. Which NIT we cannot say, but yes, NIT is like a Rourkela, Bhopal, Kurukshetra, Jaipur, Allahabad. These NITs you will get. All India rank 1200 category, general category, you will get some new IITs definitely with the core branch also. With the core branch Tipahuja, with the 1200 rank in any branch, with the 1200 rank, you will get core branch in any of the new IIT. But try to fill all the form of the all the IITs. Na? IITs like IIT BHU, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Allahabad, Tirupati, what means IIT Gandhinagar. All these IITs also you have to fill. IIT Hyderabad, All India rank 48, VLSI, IIT Madras. Yes, Vijay, you will get it. VLSI, M.Tech or analog design, you will get it. How to prepare communication system for ESE mains? I am from electrical. Okay, Gajendra. So for ESE mains, so first of all, congratulations that you have selected in the pre. And for IIT, ESE mains, you are saying so solve the previous year questions thoroughly. Okay, solve the previous year questions thoroughly, and according to that, related to the topic that they have asked, go to the textbooks and read that topic thoroughly. That's it. Okay, Deepa Ahuja, that's great. Congratulations. Okay, Ahuja, so convey my message to him or her that in the 1200, definitely he or she will get the good IIT, new IIT. Yes, All India rank 1175, which IIT I can get Pankaj. Again, 1175 OBC will get the good IIT, means old IITs with the OBC. Definitely you will get the good and old IIT. And but the branch you have to compromise. Okay, branch you have to compromise. Means at least you should have the 2 to 3 branch in your mind. You cannot be specific about doing M.Tech in only machine or doing M.Tech in only a particular specific branch like power electronics, power system. You should have all three, at least three branch in your list. GATE rank 820 category general VSI IIT Mandi possible 100%. 100% Rupayam Saha IIT Mandi VLSI 100% possible. You have to go at least up to the third round. Okay, you have to go up to the third round. VDDT branch has huge cutoff. Yes. Dinesh, as we talked that you have the good rank and VDTT, you can keep on your second preference. Okay, because you are looking for the IIT Madras. So IIT Madras, you give as your first preference and keep the IIT Delhi VDTT as your second preference. and you can keep the third if you want to do the M.Tech from communication, then you can also select the telecommunication in the IIT Delhi as a third. Yes, OBC 1536, again, new IITs definitely you will get. Manish Tony 134 OBC, definitely you will get. Manish Tony also, we will get the with this OBC category and the rank you will get. But the branch, again, you have to compromise. Any of the new IIT definitely you will get with your branch also. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this session, and you can put your doubts in the comment section, and we will definitely take your questions, and we will clear all of your doubts in the upcoming sessions. And I will take another session only ask me anything kind of where you can put all of your doubt. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, and all the very best. Don't hesitate to fill the form of every IIT. That is my sincere request to all of you. Actually, I'm not suggesting. I am requesting all of you. Don't ever hesitate to fill the form of all the IITs. Fill as much form as possible you can. Then later on we will think which IIT, which branch we should go. Okay, because there may be a chance that two different IIT will have the interview on the same date. It is possible. You may have the IIT Delhi and IIT Kharagpur, and they may have the same date interview written of exam like that. But that will only be decided at the last stage. So that's why you have to fill the form of every IIT. EC 1750, NIT Trichy and NIT Calicut, OBC? No. NIT Trichy and NIT Calicut you will not get in this rank 1750 if you don't have any category, because I am sure that in the NIT Trichy and NIT Calicut you might be looking for the VLSI, and these VLSI of these NITs are having higher cutoff than the some of the IITs also. What are the Achaya side? I got an score 617 and All India rank 912. 912 you will get core branch in any of the old IIT. Core branch in the any of the old IITs. Communication, there is a chance. For the communication, there is a chance. Sai Pavan, okay, 913, 912 rank with the 617 gate score in EC. That is a possible in the any of the old IIT, but the branch can be interdisciplinary or not regular from the core branch. It may be different. No, they have not started right now, Dinesh. But definitely within the 1 or 2 days that also came, that will also come, and we will inform all of you. Yes, but definitely it is worthful. It is worth doing M.Tech from there in the interdisciplinary branch. If you go and take admission in the IITs now, it will be worth, but it depends on which interdisciplinary branch you are taking admission, because some interdisciplinary branch are having very good placement, but some of the interdisciplinary branch will not have the good placement. Like for example, I say one of my student is from the geoinformatics in the IIT Bombay. Now I'm remote sensing. So now being a student of electronics engineering is, है ना? And we will always think of doing the M.Tech from the communication, VLSI, machine learning, pattern recognition, artificial intelligence like that. embedded system, wireless communication, all these things. Uh, Control systems, microwave, and antenna. We think that these are the core branches, so we should do M.Tech only in these core areas. But there are few branches in the IIT Bombay like IEOR, Industrial Engineering and Operational Research. Second is Geoinformatics and the Remote Sensing. These interdisciplinary branch of IIT Bombay are having very good placement and even with the package of more than 30-35 lakhs. Similarly, in the IIT Delhi, optoelectronics, in the IIT Kanpur, some laser technology, and there are some other branch, I forgot it. So all these interdisciplinary branch are good placement. But in the IIT Delhi, there is an interdisciplinary branch like a measurement also. But they are not having that much good placement. So in this way, you have to categorize, so that is the time you have to visit every website of every IIT. You have to write all the subjects offered by them. That means all the M.Tech program offered by them, like what are the different specialization in that particular IIT. And first of all, see according to your interest, which you are able to do. Means in which IIT you are willing to do the M.Tech or in which branch. So according to that, you shortlist it and then make a preference and then we can discuss over that. Yes, thinking to give Robin, definitely BITS exam you can give, and the BITS exam is having the same syllabus as per the GATE. BITS and VIT both are having the syllabus same as GATE. So prepare well for the BITS HD exam, and there will be a very high probability that you will qualify. Okay, because just do one thing, that you try to prepare one or two subject of electrical, like a computer network. You can extra prepare, you can prepare power system, power machine, these subjects. If you prepare basic level, if you prepare, then there will be very high chance that you will qualify with HD, because there is a common paper for the EC and EE. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. And sorry for those who are still putting the doubts on their comment, because the session has already gone 1 hour and we have to finish it, because the session is not about the rank and score. It is about the COAP. Okay. Thank you. For interview, you should prepare only two, three subjects, means according to your specialization, means on which specialization you are applying. Suppose you are applying for VSI, then prepare EDC and analog. And if you are suppose applying for communication, then prepare signals and system and communication. So at least these four subjects